Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna showing you how to change RAM on Dell and Inspiron 3437 Core i5 Gen laptop. First of all, you will need a screwdriver to unplug all screw from the back part of the laptop. First of all, you have to unplug your battery. Then you will see the screw slot. Open all screw from the back part. Then open it. Here you are seeing that RAM slot 1 and here is the RAM slot 2. To open RAM from your laptop, you unplug your RAM from laptop. Here I'm seeing that it is 4GB PC3L RAM. That means it is a DDR3 RAM of 4GB space. Take a new RAM as 4GB DDR3, then plug it. See the slot size, then connect carefully as shown on the video. Give a simple press, then it will adjust automatically from the both sides. That's all. Thanks for watching.